Welcome to Benz Navigation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the AUX for the car with NTG 4.5 and 4.7. Go to Setting, Factory Setting, Password 190627, Enter. Vehicle. Choose the AUX auto switching. You must choose Other and go back. Setting again. System. AUX position. If your car have AUX in audio, please check which position of audio in your screen. For example, audio is in the second column. You choose 2 for the AUX position 1. And AUX is at the 6th row. You choose 6 for the AUX position 2. But if your car without AUX, you have to activate the AUX first. Setting, Factory Setting, the same password. Enter. Vehicle. You can find an item Benz AUX Activate. Just tick this checkbox and then go back to NTG mode.
But what to do if it doesn't work? Just follow my setting this way. Press these 3 keys to enter the engineering mode. 1, hashtag and hang up. So go to number 7, hardware setting, and 7.7, head unit parameter. Turn on the audio AUX to complete the activation. But you cannot select this item in some of the cars. In this case, you need to go back to the engineering mode, choose 7.5 TGW parameter, and you can find most. Turn off the most. And double check it's off now. Go back to 7.7 head unit parameter. Now you can see this audio AUX. You can select on. Turn on the audio AUX. You make it. Okay. Now we go back to 7.5 to turn on the most again. Don't forget to do it. And after that, you need to choose the audio source. Change it to external amplifier. Okay. Let's double check it. So let's go back to the engineering mode and second page. You can press End. Now let's go back to the Mercedes Benz menu. AUX is right there now. And then we can set the AUX position in Android factory setting. Welcome to subscribe our channel to get more skill. Thanks for watching.